If AI image prompts confuse you, then this platform that I'm about to reveal to you might be the easiest AI tool you ever use. Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Andy Frenzy, and in this video I'm going to walk you through this AI platform by Google. This platform is none other than Google Whisk. This AI powered visual creation tool by Google Labs lets users generate and remix images by using images as prompts instead of texts. But most importantly, what problem does it solve? Well, it removes the complexity of writing perfect prompts and allows users to create AI visuals by simply selecting or combining images. Who should use this platform? Well, content creators, designers, social media managers, marketers, students, and anyone who wants AI images without prompt engineering. I am sure that by the end of this video, you'll be able to create, remix, refine, and export AI generated images using Google Whisk from beginner level to advanced workflows. So without further ado, open your browser and search for Google Whisk. Click on the first link and create an account using your Google account. No manual sign up is required if you already have a Google account. So currently, Whisk runs under Google Labs, so availability may depend on region and Google account eligibility. So let's do that. I already have an account with Whisk, so I'll go ahead and browse the gallery. And you can see when you go into the gallery, you will see a lot of images that are being created on this platform. Look how beautiful they are. But that's not why we are here. We are here to explore how to use this platform. So go ahead and click Enter Tool. And when you click Enter Tool, this is where you will land. As you can see, this is the landing page. This is the interface that you'll be seeing when you log into your Google Whisk platform or Google Whisk AI. So the main interface area, as you can see, we have the input area, and this is where you upload or select images. This is the one where you can even describe using prompts, but this is not the reason why I've made this video. I made this video to show you that you can completely create images using images themselves. You just give the AI reference images, the subject and the style and the scene, and then the AI will rethink and redefine your images to the best of its ability. So, and this is where you upload or select images. You can see add images right here, and you can also write prompts, and and you can even choose the aspect ratio right here. You can see you can choose the square, which is 1:1, and the portrait, most especially for TikTok and Reels, and landscape, that is for YouTube videos, for those of you who would want or wish to create a YouTube content from images that you create on Whisk. So this is it. So the next thing you will look at, if you look on your left corner, there is a word Whisk and experiment. So there is an arrow right here which you have to tap to pop this side up, and you have the subject, the scene, and the style. So I'll show you, and we shall explore examples on how to use these parts here that you see. So each slot here influences how the final image will look. So if you decide to upload an image in the subject, an image in the scene, as you will see, and the style, that is the same exact images, or those are the images that this AI would use to create the final output. And once you are done uploading your subject, the scene, and style, you just have to tap this arrow right here to generate your output. And the AI will rethink and define the image and generate it in a matter of seconds. So I'll show you an example, but before that, let me make some things clear. If you are a beginner, ignore the scene and only concentrate on the subject and style for better outputs that won't confuse you. I'll show you what I mean by that, and we shall look at a practical example for you to understand this entirely. So we have the display panel. This is the grayish part here, right here, you will see by the end of the day when we create something. So the display panel, everything we create will be displayed here in this grayish area that you see, and this allows us to regenerate and refine our images once they are created. So as a beginner, here are some things you should focus on first while using this platform. Uploading images into the subject and style slots will give you the fastest way to understand how this platform works. Like I said, ignore the scene part first. You will understand how to use the scene part by the end of this video, but ignore it when you are using this platform in the beginning. So, and here is the basic functionality step by step. We are going to upload an image right now, and yeah, I'll go into the images. Let me see. Let me upload one of my images right here that I have. One image here, and then let me upload a scene. I'll pick another image as my scene. I have an image of a baby doll here. Let me pick that. So you can see I've uploaded two images, one of myself and one of a baby doll here. And if you want to understand how to make these images right here for baby dolls and dancing videos, I have a video on my YouTube channel that you can check out and to watch how you can create baby dancing videos. By the way, these videos are going viral on TikTok, but a takeaway for you guys who are making these videos, make sure you do not post them on YouTube. Other than that, you get a copyright strike if you do not have copyright for the music that you use in these videos. Most people post them on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. That's where they're working very good. And if you're in countries where TikTok pays for views, yeah, you can definitely reap a lot of views from these baby dancing videos. But yeah, let's go forward with our tutorial. So now we want to click or tap generate. If you're a fast user, you can even see the directions. The generation arrow is right here to generate your this is a very good platform even for beginners. That's why I said it is very good for you. If you're a beginner, don't even get worried. You'll get through everything that you need to understand on this platform in this video. So go ahead and tap that, and yeah, you see our platform. This is where our images are going to appear. This is the display area. So we are waiting in a matter of seconds. Look at that. In a matter of seconds, the AI has thought around and produced these images that you see right here. I can choose to animate them here by moving the cursor over the picture. Then I can animate, I can refine. If I click refine, I can refine this image and yeah, do anything that I want with it. And I can even choose the refine mode and describe what I want this image to look like. So, but we go back to where we are, such that we take it step by step. I will not jump these areas which are very important for you guys to understand each and everything. So you can see, and you can pick the style. You can pick the aspect ratio. Let's try to change the aspect ratio to a landscape right here, and then we regenerate and we see what this AI will generate. So yeah, you tap that and then wait. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. So we have generated these pictures, and that's how you generate pictures over and over again. And if you are not satisfied with the image, all you have to do is to refine it, or you have to you can tap regenerate or generate here. You can tap this arrow again, and the AI will rethink and generate more and more pictures for you. So, and let's try to understand the output. So here, Whisk combines the content of the subject image with the visual style of the style image to give you this output. And as you witnessed, we had no text prompts involved here. Now, some of the common mistakes beginners do on Whiskey are: 1. Uploading unclear and low quality images. That's not good at all. You will not get a better output. Using too many images at once will not work for you. Please do not do that. And expecting exact replicas instead of interpretations is not working on Whisk platform. So to avoid poor results, use clear, high contrast images for better results. So let's look at another example, but this time around with a scene output. The goal here is to create consistent visuals for content or branding. So I'm going to upload a main subject, and I will upload a scene, and I will also upload a reference image. So, and I tap generate, and we see what Whiskey will give us. So let me delete my subject and delete my style here. I have another subject, and that will be, let me choose another subject image. Yes, still is an image of me created with AI. And yeah, I'll pick the scene. Let me choose an office right here. And yeah, let me choose style. Let me pick a brand. Yeah, let me see if I choose something that is yeah, let me choose something like yeah, a Coca-Cola bottle. Yeah, and see the style, and we see how the AI rethinks when it uses all the three images. So then let's tap generate, and we see what the AI will generate. You'll see the magic for yourself. Remember, we're using the landscape, you know, ratio. So let's wait. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You know, so the thing that I wanted you to put out there, if you're using the style, the scene, you must be aware that you must think before you use the scene. Because if, for example, I'll give you an example, a practical example, by using another type of scene right here, and you will see it will confuse this entire thing and you will not get the best output there. See, if you're into branding, this is a very good idea, where you can even recreate your branding images. You use AI to brand, you know, to create branding images for your company, and yeah, much more. You can get the idea that I'm trying to give you guys. Yeah, so this is it. So now let's try to flip these images, and I'll delete let me delete the style and delete the scene, and I upload the Coca-Cola bottle in the scene, and I upload the office in the style, and you see what I'm trying to mean. I'll explain the details. I'll give you details of what I'm trying to mean right here. So this is it. Let's try to see what the AI will produce. So you see, you always have to move the things around to get a better output. This time around, we got a better output for our image. As you can see, that is it. That is it. Yeah, the bottle, yeah, it looks kind of, you know, massive for me, but yeah, you can always click generate to regenerate again, and to give it time to think, and maybe create more pictures or more images until when you're satisfied with that image that you think that is great for you. Look at that. Look at that. So tell me, if you are a content creator and you're picking something from this this very tutorial, you know, tell me you cannot use these pictures to make videos. You know, if you want to know how to turn these images into videos, I already have a video on my YouTube channel that you can go and watch and see how you can turn these images into videos using AI platforms like Kling AI, like Leonardo AI, and so many more. And you'll find link of all the AIs that I use where you can find, because I've told you most of the time that if you want to create content, you must have a platform which has most of the things in one place. Because if you keep on subscribing to so many of them, you get confused. You must have platforms like FlexClip, platforms like InVideo, platforms like Artlist, where you can find most of these AI on one or in one place. So this is it. This is it. So tell me what you think about Google Whisk, and I know by now you understand very well how to use this platform. There's nothing more to see. All you have to know is that if you want to create videos, all you have to tap is this video thing right here, and this is where videos you've created appear, and videos or images that you like on this platform. When you visit their public library, they will appear here. Other than that, the images that you've created will appear here. And if you go to your library, and your library, there are certain things that you create in your library. You can even open all the images that you've created will appear on the public scene. So all you have to do is to download. If you want to download this image, for example, and you want to turn it into for example, a video, or if you want to animate this image, let's try the animation button. You tap the animation, you just move the cursor over the picture, and you will get all these other options here. Let's tap animate, and when you tap animate, you can give the AI what you want. Let's say let the man move around the office. So, and let's tap generate, and we see what this AI will generate in a matter of seconds. Sometimes it can take a minute because there are so many people who are using this platform, because it is free of charge. But if you want to get the best out of it, of course, you can even pay for a paid subscription. But I always teach people to use free things first before you test something, before you even go ahead and pay for it. So within a matter of a minute or two, you can see we are on 37%. This platform will create an animation from this image. Look at that. So let's try to play this. That's not beautiful. Tell me that's not beautiful. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. So this is what I'm talking about. So if you're very satisfied with the video, all you have to do is go ahead and click download, and you can download the video. And of course, it will have a watermark right here at the bottom, but that's not a big deal. Takeaways for using all these three functions on Whisk. 1, you must keep subject images consistent for brand identity. And secondly, use the same style image for uniform visuals. Test different scene images to change the mode of your output if you want better outputs until you are satisfied with your output. This will help you to get faster content creation, no prompt engineering, and visual consistency across all your content. And realistically, you must be aware that this function has limitations, and to give you a few of those, as a creator, you have less control than text prompt based AIs, and the result depend heavily on input image quality. It is not designed for photorealistic precision edits, so do not entirely depend on this platform. For example, if you are into technical image editing, secondly, if you want exact image replications, and if you are working with precision design works. And on matters of privacy, I must say that images are processed by Google Labs, therefore avoid uploading sensitive or private images. And if you wish to use some of the images you find on Whisk, make sure you use public or owned images and always review outputs before publishing. Other than that, this platform is excellent for beginners, useful for intermediate creators, and it is indeed a very powerful tool for visual professionals when used strategically. If you have been watching this far, by now you can access Google Whisk confidently, create AI images using images instead of text, build consistent visuals, and use Whisk for real-world content creation. Your skill level is now from intermediate to somewhat advanced depending on how strategically you will combine the images for your output. For you to be able to improve, you must practice consistency, experiment with image combinations, and build repeatable workflows that you can refine time and again for better outputs. That being said, if you find this video helpful, like the video, subscribe, and follow me on all social media handles for more real and practical AI tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment section and I'll see you in the next AI breakdown.